glad you're all right.
Yes! I am invincible!
Afraid not. Agent Denton, at your service. Do you know me? I'm looking for the mole people. I can't speak for command, but I'm gonna clean the place out. Okay. All right. Let's do this. Relax. It's perfectly safe.
God!
Interesting. Definitely not NSF. Hello? Why are you locked in the bathroom? I am prepared to perform my duties. Don't believe everything you read. I'm J.C. Denton. You might know my brother Paul.
God!
All I've got with me is a pistol and an electric prod. I don't mind a test, but UNATCO better issue some hardware. I didn't expect the kitchen to be under martial law. Just curious. I'm sure FEMA has a good reason for the tight security. What's that? There's only one way to find out. Who the hell are you? We're alone.
Aren't we all?
No.
You're late, 007.
Calm down. I'm here to help.
Ready to save the world again?
Does it matter?
James?
Yeah?
For England.
Sure. Just another parasite. Let's go. I hate to interfere with science. We're taking a minimum force approach. We're cops, after all. Not much activity down here.
Half of everything is luck, James.
And the other one.
Fate.
Shouldn't you turn that stuff over to the quartermaster? I'll take the rifle. I'm your specialist.
Fire! Closing time, James! Last call!
What's it like to stand around revving your actuators while the more advanced units complete the mission? Hope it works. A bomb.
Okay, fan out. Check the area.
Get out of there. Paul. No way. I can't believe that.
Move out. Throw down your weapon and walk towards me.
Okay.
Finish the job, James! Blow them all to hell!
Make me.
You have 10 seconds.
There's only one way to find out. Oops.
10,
All right.
9,
I give up.
8,
I've done what you asked. Now what?
2,
For England, James!
He was a good man. What a rotten way to die.
This is your last chance.
Yes.
Come out with your hands above your...
Yeah?
Wait!
Standard procedure, it appears. I'm learning as I go. You're a complete jackass.
Goddamn terrorist.
Is that allowed? Maybe it's time you kick the habit.
You can't win.
We'll see about that.
Get out of there.
We're assuming control of the airfield.
You! Stop right there! Hold it! Help!
Maybe I'll give it a try. Mind if I borrow it?
God! Oh, God!
Out of my face!
Terrorist!
Enough! Go! God!
I never thought I'd see this much action in one mission. You mechs might have copper wiring to reroute your fear of pain. But I've got nerves of steel. I don't understand. What do you want? You're just a machine. Sounds promising.
God! Ah!
Sorry, some bad news. Manderley said you're going to die. My parents died in a car accident.